Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install TeamViewer on your Windows operating system. Using TeamViewer, you can remote control any Windows operating system or Mac OS remotely. So let's get started. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for TeamViewer, and the first result would be teamviewer.com. So just click this link which says teamviewer.com, and then you will be able to see this download button which says download TeamViewer. Okay, so just click this download button here and then save the executable file which you want to download. So this is the executable file name. Just save it and give the location wherever you want to download it. And once this executable is downloaded, then you can run it. So I'm going to run this executable file and I'm going to minimize my browser, and in here you can see there are some options. So the setup has been started, and first question it will ask us, how do you want to proceed? Basic installation to access this computer remotely, or run only one time use. So we want to use it for the basic installation. And the second question is, how do you want to use TeamViewer? Company or commercial use, personal or non-commercial use, or both of the above. So for now we want to use the personal and or non-commercial use. So we will just click this option, and then we will just say show the advanced setting. Let's see what are the advanced setting we can get. So just click next and then click yes, and then you will be able to see this location where the TeamViewer will be installed. So if you want to change it, you can change it, but for now I will just leave it as default, and I'm going to just click finish, and then the installation of TeamViewer will start, and in some seconds the TeamViewer will be installed on your system, and then you will be able to use it. So now the TeamViewer installation is complete. This is the first screen which you will see at the starting of your TeamViewer software, and then you can just close it and then start using TeamViewer as a normal remote control to the other Windows operating system. So if you are using or if you want to control your friend's computer, he can give you this TeamViewer user ID and password, and then you can just enter this user ID which is given by your friend here, and then password which is given by your friend, and then you will be able to control his computer remotely. So this is really simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and